guys, I got something for you to try to give you a much deeper sleep, no bad breath, and less gum disease at night. What is it? You're gonna put a little piece of tape on your mouth, little strip of tape, nothing, you're not gonna tape your whole mouth. You're gonna put it right here, and you're gonna basically go to bed, and you're gonna breathe through your nose the whole night. Mouth breathing causes many problems, and many of us do it and don't even know it. Sleep apnea, snoring, all these other, the back of your throat thins by breathing through your mouth all night. So we want to train your body and your brain to start breathing through the nose. So a little piece of tape right over your lips, so you can, if you had to open your mouth, you could, and you will basically get a much deeper sleep. This is scientifically proven, and you will not go wrong trying it. So give it a shot. Let me know how it goes.